Hello friends, today I'm joined by this very large stack of Kotobukiya kits with a special announcement for you guys. This November is officially going to be Kotobukiya Month. I've decided to just take some time to really appreciate all that Kotobukiya has to offer and kind of specialize or focus in doing a bunch of reviews over a bunch of the different lines that Kotobukiya has, and do that all as much as I can in the month of November. So for example, here are some of the lines that I'm going to be covering: Frame Arms Girl, Megami Device, Armored Core, Hexagear, Fantasy Star Online, Ghost in the Shell, Zoids, Super Robot Wars, and Muv Love. Now, why am I doing this? Why I decided to take on a bunch of Kotobukiya kits this month? Not really in a particular reason why it has to be this month, but if you guys don't know, my wonderful sponsors at USA Gundam Store have been getting a lot more Kotobukiya stuff in recently, so I thought it would just be kind of cool to share some more information with you guys about the different lines that Kotobukiya has, in case you're wondering, because you'll now be able to get more and more of that stuff increasingly through USA Gundam Store, which is great for those of you guys living in the US, because of course you can use my coupon code there and save 10% on that stuff. The coupon code, as always, just being ZakuAurelius10. That code and the link to the store is down below. Feel free to check that out. So with USA Gundam Store getting more Kotobukiya stuff, I just thought it'd be cool to share with you guys these and let you guys know, in case there are some lines that you may not have known too much about before, you might be interested in getting. Of course, their stocks are going to be limited for the time being, but hopefully if you guys are buying more and more Kotobukiya stuff from them or showing more interest in Kotobukiya products from USA Gundam Store, they'll be able to get some more rolling in to them from Japan, and then that will just be great for everyone. More stuff available for you guys to spend your money on. That's always nice, right? So some of these, for example, like Muv Love, Frame Arms, Megami Device, some of these series I have multiple different ones on hand here that I can choose from, so I'm probably going to leave that up to my Patreon patrons to choose. Like, for example, I've got a few different Frame Arms kits here that I could choose between to try to get in a review of this month, and so I'll just put up some polls on my Patreon page and then let my patrons decide which one they want to end up seeing this month. Of course, I'll try to get to all of them eventually, but I'm just talking about which ones I'm going to try to fit into Kotobukiya Month here for November. Now, of course, I will still be doing all the regular Gundam reviews as much as I can as well. I'll be busy with that and just working on different painting projects. I'm really glad that you guys are enjoying the different like painting work in progress videos that I'm trying to do more of. There will be continually more of those as well, so I'm staying busy. Thank you guys so much for the support as always. Of course, thank you to USA Gundam Store, who will be sponsoring many of the reviews of these Kotobukiya kits this month, and just for all the support that they give to me and my channel here in general. Guys, show them some love. Check out the link down below to their site, and let me know down in the comments which Kotobukiya kits do you like, which ones you've maybe built before, which lines that you like or don't like, whether it be Frame Arms Girls or Megami Device or Frame Arms, Zoids, Armored Core. I'm excited to check out my first Armored Core kit. I haven't built one before. People have been asking me to review them for a long time. I finally found one that I think it looks really cool. So with that, I hope it gives you guys some stuff to look forward to later on this month. Thank you so much for watching and listening. The last final but very important point that I want to let you guys know about is that I'll be kicking the month off by building the Metal Gear Rex live on Twitch November 1st. So right from the start of November, we're going to get it started with building the Metal Gear Rex. It looks like it's going to be really cool. I'm going to be building it all in one solid stream, one night here on November 1st. That's Korean time, so make sure to check what time that's going to be for you. Probably around 10 or 11 p.m. I'll let you guys know by probably posting on Facebook, and I'll try to send out a reminder on Twitch as well. But if you haven't already, check the link to my Twitch channel down below. Follow, subscribe, whatever you got to do. Don't miss out. Hope you guys are having a fantastic Halloween, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.